Hi everyone, it is Neisha aka Jazzy. Hello, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Just want to say this is we have to know, think of how to go forward. You know, this is a new normal. There's no way going back to where things supposed to be. I mean, if you have to pray, fast, chant, whatever means of communication with your inner self, with God, I mean, try and channel it. Right now, oh Lord, so we have 7 deaths right now in Jamaica from the COVID. And we have 350 current cases. I don't know when this video up if it will be more, I hope not. And 28 recovering. Well, the place just coming like a ghost town. Any one of you guys out there watch Walking Dead or Fear the Walking Dead, you just X out the zombie. That's the thing like I have in my head, you know, about all of this. School, wow. Hey guys, it's me Neisha aka Jazzy. Thank you very much. I must say thanks for the subscribes, them already, the likes and the views. Yeah, there guys, beautiful Jamaica. So on the road for how long now? Taxi driver, I mean everybody have for all gear up. So Mr. Steve, how work? How work? See that guys? This road normally have traffic. I mean traffic, I mean a lot of traffic, and look there now. I mean, it used to be like bumper to bumper. So what make the work bad now? Huh? How does 6 o'clock curfew affect you? No, how? So I mean like, so you not people them when you have to pick up, you can't pick them up?
No, there's no night.
See the guys? Oh boy. But we just have to do them so
most of my passengers have to stay home. Most of them get lay off.
I don't hear you.
Most of my passengers get lay off.
You hear
and
that
most
guy?
of who don't get lay off, I work from home.
Alright. So how you ration the thing, the food?
It's limited, you know, you can't eat too much. You have to just eat a little bit and make some survey and next day.
You hear that, peeps?
I say I'm right.
See that, guys? So you say we'll have to just eat a little bit of food?
I'm the rest day for the next day. I have to eat off everything tomorrow. Tomorrow you're not going to have none.
You can't do what?
If you eat off everything tomorrow, you don't have none.
You hear that, people? So all water, you have water?
Yes, I have water.
You get water bill and light bill same way?
Same way.
Jesus, God have mercy.
Come to more.
Come to what?
Come to more than before.
Guys, I hope you're hearing me now, because we have to have on our mask. Yeah, we're outside. Outside, look on the road. And I'm here with, of course, my taxi brethren. Always help me out. And see here, I mean, when I'm cab, I'm having things them set, see sanitizer here. Yeah. And I'm have more than one, I must tell you. See, I have another one there. And we alcohol, Mr. Steve. See it right there, sir? Alright, guys. In buy up him things, you know. So we are in the good old offer tree. The people still are hustling. On the side, big up yourself. Yeah. And this is where you normally have the Spanish town people. I mean, so you say the cock. Can't cock right now. And today is Saturday. Today is May 2nd. And I don't even the time I was to 9. See there? You know? Yeah, you know long. We mean in our house like slavery. For those who don't know a transport center, see transport center there for my friends them are there abroad and fancy police them up on the road. They make sure say hey, it's not mandatory. You must wear your mask. Alright guys. Guys, normally this area morning time. People, I mean, they're on the sidewalk. See that now? The place is on a standstill. The place is on a standstill. You can see we're on green light now, so we're going. See, I tell you, people, mask. Everywhere you go, you see people in a mask.
You know, if you never want no mask, police must stop you, though.
Police stop you? You hear me telling you guys?
If you don't have the mask, they must stop you.
If you don't have on the mask, they will stop you. Of course, I hope you guys hear me clearly. Excuse the poor audio. Sorry. Big up on yourself. Big up on yourself. So he's making a quick stop. I'm going to my client. No cost less.
No, $20 I could have given them there. On left, $20, you know. $20 could have given.
No time I reach. Nobody on the road. Nobody on the road. You gotta stop somewhere else. You hear that, guys? You gotta stop. Gas station. Same I go stop. Him not stop, I just say myself. All the road here, I want busy piece of road there. Busy piece of road. Today is Saturday? Yes. You guys have to bring my baby with me and yeah, Shavan, Jazzy. Traffic wicked, man. A traffic wicked. Where traffic there? Why you turn? Are you safe to turn? Yeah. I still remember when I got people. You see, because you're in the house for a while. You come a road. Bye guys. I know it's a bit too quick, but let me introduce you to my daughter. Of course, Jessica.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yes, of course, my baby. You know, she keep me going. Trust me guys, she's a handful. Yeah. Mrs. Naismith, I don't know if she give you so much trouble, you know, but Jesus, good God. So she eat so she play. You guys, thank you. And of course, when she asleep, my new man. His name is Mickey, y'all. Okay. So, guys, I can have my little man beside me. My daughter play. Alright, we're going to go back to definitely talking the things that I'm explaining to you people. What's up, right? Alright, for me and the COVID, I stay inside as much as I can. I don't go out. I try not to take my daughter out either. I let her stay in. More than playing here, but go up on the road, like, even though it's scary to even take public transportation. I'm scared basically about every single thing. I'm scared. I'm like, no, I'm a scaredy cat. But piece of area I gotta have problem, you know. So yes, as we were saying, all you have to do, just be good. Do something that will be meaningful to someone. And you don't have to tell the whole neighbor. You know, you have some people that give you things, especially in crowd, because they want the self-praise. Yeah. I don't like it. But if I your thing that another tell like for do, fine. As long as the person, you know, getting benefit from it, yeah, do your thing. Well, I was putting up what, like 1 video per week, and someone said, no, Neisha, you have so much and you're so hilarious. I'm like, I don't know, but thank you again, and remember, stay safe, wear the mask. Remember how you take off the mask. I'm going to show you how to take off the mask. And yeah, somebody said them take off them clothes from outside. I don't think, well, some people might like that. Well, I say, hey, but spray yourself with alcohol or sanitizer, or run in the bathroom as you go in, and somehow it's gonna reach. I don't know, I think that's a little too much, but if that's your too much, then do it, fine. But remember, when you're taking off your mask, all right, hold on, let me get my daughter mask. I mean, this is the mask. All right, this clean, so I can show you when you're putting it on, you can see it can stretch. So here's a lock off, which it's supposed to, and you fix here. Now this is the front of the mask. When you are taking it off, you're not supposed to go like this. Remember, you know, no, not supposed to go like this. You're supposed to go here to here. Alright, and get it off. Yay! And get it off. Now you hold it, and what I do, I spray alcohol on it and hang it on the doorknob. Spray the alcohol, hang it on the doorknob and spray it with alcohol. So guys, remember, as I said, sanitizer in your bag, your mask, if you, I don't know, and just be safe. Spray the cab if you're taking a cab. I can't talk for both. If you drink, what do you drink during this time? Some people say, Neisha, I drink garlic, lime. Be careful of too much garlic though, because where my nurse is at, you know, garlic, you can have too much. I think it thin out the blood. Not too much. You don't have to drink it every single day. But be safe, take care of yourself, meditate, chant, pray. I keep on saying chanting, maybe you guys, but look up the meaning and see what it is. A praise. Do whatever that pleases and suits you, and love somebody. Alright, love upon somebody. Me never say forgot make. You know, I'm not talking about that. I just said so. Anywho, just checking on somebody. Alright, bye y'all. Please remember and hit the bell, subscribe. Bye. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'm trying guys, and I'll try to put up at least 3 videos per week. 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah. So comment in the box. Tell me what you want to hear about. What do you want to see? I don't know what you can see right now, but because I'm not going to give you a tour, but there are things that I want to do. Yay, fun things out there. So just lay back, chillax. I remember today is Monday. From the other day, I wasn't like remembering the days of the week. I was like, oh Lord, but I remember it today. So thank you guys for watching the video. Please remember to share, like, subscribe, and please comment, leave your comment down below and tell me what you want to hear. Be good, bless someone, and